Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share some of the latest job openings in Durgapur location. It is from West Bengal. Let's discuss one by one. Firstly, there is a job opening for soft skill trainer position. It is from Anudip Foundation. They are going to salary for this position is 15,000 to 16,000 rupees per month, and these are the responsibilities and the duties required for this position. And interested candidates, you can approach them with the given phone number for more details. The number is 6289903775. Next, there is a job opening for academic writer executive position. It is from Step Pay Solutions, located in Durgapur, West Bengal. Coming to skills and qualification details, graduate from any stream, candidate should be proficient in English writing, and he should be use his academic skills and knowledge on various projects. Basic computer knowledge is required. So these are the skills and qualification details mentioned here, and you can also approach them with the given phone number for more details. The number is 8101738193. Next, there is a job opening for advanced Excel trainer position from Anudip Foundation for Social Welfare. It is located in Durgapur, West Bengal. So you are going to get a salary range is 15,000 to 20,000 rupees per month for this position, and it is a type of education or training or skill development industry. So this is the address location. You please check with this, and you will also get uh, other allowances, and for detailed information you can also approach them with the given phone number for more details. The number is 8373057533. Next, there is a job opening for call center domestic process at Durgapur. It is from Apex Global Services. So for this job position, you should be having minimum 6 months to minimum 1 year of experience in sales and in customer services. So these are the skills required for this position. So you please check with the skills mentioned here, and fresher candidates can also eligible to apply for this position. So for more details, you can approach them with the given phone number, that is 9064795160. Next, there is a job opening for graphic designer position from iGlobal Impact ITs Private Limited. It is located in Durgapur, West Bengal. So you will be going to get a salary range is 10,000 to 25,000 rupees per month for this position, and you should be having minimum 1 year of experience, and you should be having knowledge in Photoshop, Illustrator, CorelDRAW, and animation. And coming to responsibilities, you please check with the responsibilities mentioned here, and for more details about this job position, you can approach them with the given phone numbers. First one 9832504040, second one 8101244343, and you can also uh, contact with the given address details provided here. Next, there is a job opening for area sales executive position from Ruth Harvest Agro Products Private Limited. It is located in Durgapur, West Bengal. So for this job position, you should be having at least 3 to 5 years of experience in FMCG industry, and you will be get a salary and additional with incentives and travel allowances also. So coming to job responsibilities, you will be involved into field work, regular sales visit, demonstrating and presenting products, meeting sales target and managing cash flow by regular or scheduled collection, appointing new distributions retailers in the given territory, so slogging in the market to delivery, so result oriented, and should have a two-wheeler. So these are the job responsibilities. You please go through it once, and you can also approach them with the given phone number for more details. The number is 9582948053. Next, there is a job opening for HTML designer position from iGlobal Impact ITS Private Limited. It is located in Durgapur, West Bengal. So you will be get a salary for this position is 10,000 to maximum 20,000 rupees per month, and you should be having proficiency in HTML5 and CSS3 and understanding of industry best practices, comfortable developing outside of any CSS framework, and coming to applications, Photoshop, Bootstraps, Media Query, WordPress and Dreamweaver, jQuery and JavaScript. So these are the applications you are going to use. So interested candidates about this job position, you can approach them with the given phone numbers for more details, and you can also contact with the given address details. First one, the number is 9832504040. Second one, 8101244343. Next, there is a job opening for WordPress developers. It is from the same company, iGlobal Impact ITS Private Limited, located in Durgapur, West Bengal. So you will be get a salary range between 10,000 to 30,000 rupees per month for this position, and you should be having at least 1 year of experience in WordPress platform, and you should be having knowledge of WordPress custom themes, HTML5, CSS3, plugin integration, plugin customization, Photoshop, and in developing API. So these are the skills and experience details. You please check with this, and you can also approach them with the address details provided here for more details about this position. So the number is 9832504040. Second one, 8101244343. Next, there is a job opening for front desk receptionist position from Quantech Softwares. It is from Durgapur, West Bengal. So coming to skills and qualification details, they need both experienced and fresher graduates, and you should be having experience in documentation handling, communication and organized work is required, and highly organized, persuasive and good with numbers, and you should be having excellent verbal and written communication skills in English, Hindi and Bengali. You should be proficient in Microsoft Office, Google Drive and business social media tools like LinkedIn. So these are the qualification and skills details. So please check with this, and you can also contact them with the given phone number for more details. The number is 8900570087. So that's it in this video, guys. Hope this video will help you a lot. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members, and subscribe the channel for more updated videos. And also please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.